Hey David, this is Amber following up from Local Leads Co. I spoke to you the other day and mentioned I would get over this short screencast to you. And really what I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to be going over 3 ways in which you can grow and scale your business, generate more traffic online, and as a result get more clients in the door. So I'll go ahead and jump right into it. I have your website pulled up here. It looks like this is actually a landing page that Google actually provides for free. So it's not an actual website, but it is something kind of showing your website and has a few options here. Overall, it's pretty user-friendly. I see you have a photo here, have some more photos, which are really good and important. Photos matter, and it's very visually appealing. One area of opportunity I see, though, is the area of content. So first, I would recommend getting an actual website built for yourself and for your company. And then once you do that, you get a good amount of content on your front page and your back pages. This is one of the number one things that Google looks at when it comes to ranking your website and your business. So Google generally likes to see around 1,000 to 1,500 words on your front page and then around 750 words on your back page. So I do have your top 2 competitors. They are ranked number 1 in Google whenever you Google air conditioning in Lakeland. And it's just to help give you kind of some perspective of where they're at and where you could be and where you need to be to beat them. So your top competitor is Ward's Air Conditioning. They're ranked number 1 in Google. So this is their website. It looks like they do have a good amount of content overall. I don't think they're quite at the 1,500 or 1,000 mark, but they do have a good amount of content on their website. And then here's your second top competitor. They're ranked in Lakeland and Winter Haven in the top position. They have a lot of content on their page. So it just kind of gives you perspective. They're ranked number 1 because they have all of this content. I mean, if you go to their back page, they have a ton of content. So that's just the first area I wanted to go over with you. And these are, side note, these are things you can actually do on your own as well. So these are changes that you could make once you do get a website, if you decide to your website to get more clients in your door. So that's the first area I wanted to go over with you. The second thing I want to go over with you is kind of the back end of your website. So since you don't have an actual website, I can't compare your website, but I can show you where your competition is and where you need to be to beat them. So we use this tool. It's called Ahrefs, and it really helps us to see the ins and out of a website, where it's ranked, really what you need to do to rank your website. It's an amazing resource that we have available to us. So even here, you can see your top competitor, Ward's Air Conditioning. It shows you where they're ranked in the past 3 months. So it looks like they've kind of increased in the last 3 months. So this is their overview of their website. First thing I want to go over with you is keywords. So what a keyword is, it's a highly searched word in Google. And these are currently the words that they are ranked for. So that was 464 keywords. So just to kind of break it down for you. If someone Googles air conditioning in Lakeland, Florida, that gets Googled 150 times per month. They're in the top position for that keyword. So they're getting a good amount of traffic just from that one keyword. And if we keep going, Ward's Air Conditioning, that gets searched 80 times per month. They're in the top position, obviously, because that's the name of their company. You really want to rank for the general keywords, though. So AC, Lakeland, Florida, that gets searched 80 times per month. They're in the top position. So we generally see around 15 to 30% of the volume become leads for the clients that we've worked with. So if you were to get ranked in that top position, there's a lot of potential clients that could be coming to your door, and that's simply from ranking your website. That's just from that one way alone. So just to give you some perspective, and then your second top competitor, they have 966 keywords. And again, AC repair, Lakeland, Florida, 100 volume. 150 volume, 200 volume. All of this volume really does add up, and these are customers that could be coming to your door versus theirs. So that was the keywords that I wanted to go over with you. The third thing I want to go over with you is backlinks. So what a backlink is, I'll show you here. It's right here, and it's whenever another website pretty much refers back to your website. So of course you want a good amount of backlinks. This is something that Google looks at when they rank websites. But it's more important to have good quality backlinks referring back to your website. So just to kind of help you understand, Ward's Air Conditioning has 145 backlinks. This UR right here tells me how much power and influence their website has, and this DR tells me how much trust that their website has. So both are important. You want to see both of these numbers as close together as possible, and then you want to see them both pretty much on the high end. If they were to be close together and high, this tells me that Google favors them, and there's no doubt that they're not going to be ranked in the top position. So looks like they have a good amount of power, but a lot of their backlinks appear to be very spammy, which is really hurting their ranking. And then your second top competitor, again, they have high power, very low trust, which is not good in Google's eyes. So you want to get good, credible backlinks referring back to your website. And then lastly is citations. So what a citation is pretty much when your business name, address, and phone number is blasted all over the internet. So of course you want as most of these as possible because you want to get your business out there for the world to hear and to see. So you have 8 citations. Your top competitor has 24, and then your second top competitor has 44. So I generally recommend doubling, if not tripling, your top competitor, just to make sure you are dominating them in that area, and it would be really hard for them to catch back up to you. So I know that was kind of a lot of information. Again, these are all things you can do on your own. That was citations, keywords, backlinks, and content. If you have any questions for me, please feel free to email me or give me a call. I would love to touch base with you. Overall, I appreciate your time, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.